Hello everybody. Welcome to our tutorial 4 which will hello everybody. Welcome to our channel. Today's tutorial 4 is about PHP and JSON under PHP Web Services series. Please make sure to subscribe our channel so that you can get latest video which are upcoming very soon. If you want to see tutorial 3, this is the URL for that. I will put this URL in the description of this video so that you can go back to see tutorial 3. All right, let's start. Now we have this file, JSON file. Its name is cats.json. In this one, we have this JSON data, cats with the array, as you can see. This is the key array. Array name is the key actually, and then these are all the values. These are all the cats that we have. I actually downloaded it from GitHub. I'll put that link as well. Where did I download this? Cats and different animals. All right, so we have this cats.json file. Please save this file, cats.json, in your uh, folder, in web services folder that we're working. Uh, for in the last tutorial as well. So C, XAMPP, htdocs, and web services. So I store in this web services folder, right? So this is saved. Now we want to read this data and display using PHP. I remove this part. All right. So we have just data and then cats.php. This is the cats.php. Please save it in the same folder. htdocs, XAMPP, htdocs, web services. Now, because we have a file this time, file name is cats.json, right? This is the URL to access JSON file. Because this is a local file, so I'm not putting HTTP. I'm just putting this file to read it. So this is file, this is a method, file underscore get underscore contents. It will read this file and put it in a string variable. Next is JSON underscore decode method. This method can take one parameter or two parameters with true or without true. There is a difference. If you don't put true, there is a difference. We will see that. So pass this string here and it will convert string to array. If you put true, it will convert this string inside this data into array. And then we put everything in items. We need a for loop to parse through all these cat names. So that's a for each loop. Items, cats. What is this cat coming from? Where is this coming from? This is coming from here, the array name. So items, cats with single quote as values. This is a loop, and then echo. This will fetch first cat, second cat, and so on. Save it in the same folder and open your browser. Here is our localhost and web services. This is our folder web services. Then this file name is cats API. Let me double confirm, cats API.php. Right, cats API.php. Cool. So now we have all this data here, right? So this is done. Next I have a birds JSON file, birds, all right. But this time we have some more information. Bird has a key pair value. In the cats, we just have one key and many values. But in bird's case, we have several key values. So bird has a name, its color, another bird name, and its color. All right. So how to parse this thing? Again, save this file please as birds.json. Save this file in the same folder All right, so I remove this now. I don't need to put that. I just want to show it to you. Now is the PHP tag starts, it ends here. And this file is called birdsapi.php, birdsapi.php, and same folder, we save it in the same folder, XAMPP, htdocs, and web services. Similarly, like we did with the cats, now we will read birds.json. Same way, file get contents, and we put it in the string, JSON decode, all right, and string true, and so on. And we put items, item birds, value, but notice this time we have two things, key pair, right? Two key pairs in each bird. So each bird has a name and it has a color. So now we are using like this, value name, and this is concatenation in PHP. Okay, concat, and I want to put some space and concat and put this and another concat and br. Br is line break so that we get first bird and next bird will go to the next line break, br, line break. Okay, save it, and this time this one is birds api.php. Okay, cool. We got pigeon white and chicken brown. All right. Next, our birds file remains same, but I changed something in the birds api.php file. Where did I change? This time we will not read as array. Instead, we will read as object. All right. So this one remains same. No change. Notice change is here. Now I have removed the true. Earlier, you remember we had true. If you put true, you will get array data in items. But without true, returns object. Notice the parameter true is not used now. Correct? So for each. And notice this time, because it's object, we will use arrow. Earlier, what did we use? We use these square bracket because it was array because of true. This time, if it is object in PHP, we use this array. All right. So this is one bird, or you can put values like we did before, no problem. And now to see the name, again, we will use arrow, birds.name. So this bird, not birds, bird, one bird with name and bird with color, right? So let's see this. This one, this file, I save it as birds api1.php. Okay, just to differentiate with the previous one. So here I put birds api1. Okay, cool, no error, fine. Okay, that's all.